Where's the Where are you? Where's the main
Yes.
Where are you?
Here I am.
Oh.
Now, hi Riyan. Hi Abhishek.
I'm a little
Hi
postman.
Riyan. Sorry. Hi Riyan. Hi Anika. Hi Anaya. Amiti. Virat.
Ma'am, good morning.
Good morning.
Ma'am, good morning.
Sai.
Can you see me?
Achaya.
Can you see me?
Good
Can
morning.
you see me? Can you see me?
Yes, I can see you. Hi Ashwi.
Can you see me?
Hi Ashwi. Yes, Arish. Hi Arish. Hi Atya. Hi Atya. Hi Varun. Hi Rana. Hi Sibu. Hi Satbu. Hi Satbu. Hi Vanessa. Hi Shweta. Hi Meghna.
Now who is coming? Now who is coming to meet you?
Meet you. Hi Aswedha. Hi Devdatta. Hi Deepika. Hi Shakti. Hi Rekha. Hi Kiara. Kiara, I can see your face.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Hi
Good
Vinay.
morning.
Good morning. Hi Sangeeta. Hi Shakti. Hi Ankur. Hi Ayush. Hi Amaya. Hi Nidhi. Hi Mihika. Hi Punita. Hi Kuthia. And Punita. Hi Gauri.
Hello,
Have I
everyone.
missed anyone?
No, I don't think so. I don't think so. Mama, I can read stories for
Alright. So, are you all excited for today's story? Who all are excited? Show me thumbs up. Good morning. Now I invite you all. Sayansh. Okay, now I can see you because we are not able to hear each other. Okay? So I'm seeing you all. Okay? Alright. Now, can you hear me properly now? Show me thumbs up. Yes. Good job. Now, let me just share my screen first. Okay? Alright. Alright. So, in today's story, before we start, you all know my name? Or, okay, I'll just give my introduction. My name is Sakshi and I am a personality development trainer. What is my hobby? My hobby is to play with you all kids. I can play the entire day. I love it. It's my favorite thing. Okay, just you all like to do playing and coloring and drawing. My favorite thing is to play with kids. Alright? Okay. Now, let us understand a very, very important thing. The important thing is that right now, we in a need that we should protect our Mother Earth. Do you all know, when you love your mama in the morning, or when you hug her, when you kiss her, and when you take care of her, like you bring water for her, you serve her water, she becomes so happy. She feels so nice. Oh, my baby is so cute, so nice. He's caring for me. He's loving me. Same, if you take care of the Mother Earth, you know what? These all plants and trees, everything, animals, they are all part of Mother Earth. If we take care of our Mother Earth, just like you all take care of your mama, same, if we take care of our Mother Earth, our Mother Earth will also be very happy. She will feel, oh, my all kids are so good. They are clean. And you know what? How we can help Mother Earth? We can keep our surroundings clean. We can keep our home clean. Like whenever we are doing some work at home, let us put all things back to its place. Make the entire place neat and tidy. And if outside home, if you see anything dirty, you can ask your mama papa that how we can help. We should help our society. How we can help to clean that thing. We should look for a solution. And most important, if we plant one little plant, a sapling, a small plant is called a sapling. If you plant a sapling, Mother Earth will become really so happy. And you know what? If Mother Earth will be happy, we all will be happy. It is really important that if our Mother Earth is happy, then we'll all be happy. So will you take care of Mother Earth? Show me thumbs up if you all will take care of Mother Earth. Yes. And will you all plant a small sapling this week? Ask Mama Papa, you will get a small plant. Do plant a tree or do plant a small plant this week. Mother Earth will be so happy, and we want to make our Mother Earth so happy, right? Yes. All right. I just told you the ways how we can help Mother Earth. That we can clean our surroundings. Can you see in the picture that all the kids are helping cleaning their surroundings? They are helping in planting plants. And also, most important, when you plant a small plant, you should take care of the plant. Will you water the plant every day? Will you water the plant every day? Show me thumbs up if you will do that. Yes, we will we will water our plants every day, and we will keep our surroundings neat and clean. All right. Show me thumbs up if you all will do that. Good job. See, you kids are so amazing, so smart. Well done. So you know what? On this yesterday it was Environment Day, and also so many kids have given me so many activities and so many nice artwork. I'd like to share it with you all. So I'm sharing it. The first kid we have seen is Mananya. Very well done, Mananya, sweetheart. You have created such a beautiful handprint. It's so amazing. So, Mananya, you have given very beautiful hand painting. All right. All right. Just a minute. Did we all clap for Mananya? No. Let us all clap for Mananya. Very well done, Mananya. Very well done. Good job. Very nice artwork, Mananya. Now, after Mananya, we have got Viraj. Viraj has done, yes, he has told so many rhymes. He has done the tent activity also. And he has made a fork and leaf painting. And most important, I'm so proud of you, Viraj. You helped your mama in cleaning utensils, washing dishes, and you made lemon water for her. Great job, Viraj. Well done. Very well done. Please clap, everyone. Good. Now we have lovely Meghna. Do you all know Meghna is very talented? She has she has recited a poem in 4 different languages. Isn't it great? Very well done, Meghna. Very well done. Job, Meghna. Good job. It's very good. After Meghna, we have got Arna. Arna has actually made a very beautiful artwork for her Dadu Dadi, and most importantly, she has helped her mama in making golgappe. Yummy, yummy golgappe. It's so tasty. I love golgappe. Very well done, Arna. She helps her mama a lot. I'm very proud. Very well done, Arna. Please clap. Job, Arna. After Arna, we have got Shivai. Wow, Shivai. See, yesterday was Environment Day. He has also made a very beautiful and a very nice Earth Day artwork. He has explained that it is our responsibility to save our Mother Earth. Very well done. Very neat. Very good job, Shivai. Very good job. After Shivai, we have Arush and Ayush. Oh my God. Arush and Ayush have done so many yoga postures. Can you all see? It is really important for us to stay fit and strong that we should do yoga and meditation. And Ayush and Arush has done great postures, and also they have given a very nice and funny dance for washing hands from coronavirus. We should always wash our hands, keep our hands clean. Very well done, Ayush and Arush. Please clap, everyone. After Arush and Ayush, we have got Anaya. Anaya has actually made a very beautiful scarecrow, and she has made sparkle tube painting and photo frame with eye sticks. I'm sorry. Anaya has made a dinosaur house. Yes, scarecrow craft and a dinosaur house. Can you see the picture? Can you all see the picture? She has got so many dinosaurs. Oh my God, Anaya. Dinosaurs. And you made a house for them. Amazing. Please clap everyone for Anaya. Very well done, Anaya. Good job. After Anaya, we have got Sayanj. My God, Sayanj, you are very creative and very talented. You have actually made a paper bird and sparkle tube painting, and you have made a photo frame that with popsicles and small buttons. Isn't it great? Very well done, Sayanj. Please clap everyone for Sayanj. Good job, Sayanj. Amazing. Good job. After Sayanj, we have got S. Veda. My God, S. Veda has made very beautiful flowers, and can you see? She has made it with pistachios. Do you know it's a dry fruit pistachios? She has used those to make a flower. It's very creative, S. Veda. It's very creative. Very well done. Please clap for S. Veda. Very creative. Very nice. After S. Veda, we have got Ridhima. Ridhima has made a very beautiful artwork for the Environment Day, and she said very clearly a very important message she has given us. She said, one world, clear world and green world. That means green world, that means we have to plant so many plants. It is our responsibility. Very well done, Ridhima. Very good message. Please clap for Ridhima. Please clap everyone. Good job, Ridhima. Very well done. Very well done. After Ridhima, we have got Divija. Divija is very confident. She narrates the entire story for the plants. She has explained the plant science through a storytelling. Very, very confident, Divija. Very, very confident. Very nicely explained the entire information. Lovely. Please clap everyone for Divija. Good job, Divija. Amazing. Well done. After Divija, we have got Rayansh. Rayansh has made a very nice asan. Do you know what is asan on which Ganeshji sits? We have got Ganeshji. Ganeshji sits on an asan. He made a very beautiful asan for Ganeshji. And also, he has made cute Ganeshji also. Isn't it nice? It's amazing, Rayansh. Very well done, Rayansh. Please clap everyone for Rayansh. Good job. Loved it. Well done. Very good. Very nice work, Rayansh. And after Rayansh, we have got Arish. Oh my god. Arish has done a very good thing. You know what he did? He helped his mama in making cake. Isn't it great? I love cake so much. Do you all love cake? I love cake. I can eat so much cake. It's my favorite. Very well done, Arish. Good job. Please clap everyone for Arish. Good job, Arish. Well done. After Arish, we have got Aganya. Aganya has made vegetable printing, and also she helped her mama to make salad. You know, we should all eat healthy food. Salad is very healthy. We should eat salad every day. And Aganya has helped her mama. Well done, Aganya. Clap everyone for her. Very well done, Aganya. Very, very well done. Now we have Kiara. Oh, Kiara, your artwork is so pretty. Kiara has made a popsicle art zoo art, sorry. She has made so many animals from the popsicles. She has made fox, tiger, dragonfly, bird. Isn't it cute? Very well done, Kiara. I'm so proud. Good job, Kiara. Well done. Love you. Very well done, Kiara. Very sweet. Very nice. Lovely. After Kiara, we have got Adya. Adya has actually made a very beautiful nesting baby birds. So, nesting baby birds, aren't they cute? Can you see on my screen? Very well done, Adya. Very well done. Good job. It's so pretty. Please clap everyone for Adya. Good job, Adya. Good job. After Adya, we have got Vanya. Vanya has actually given a very important message that we should always sing this song. Have you all heard this song? We shall overcome. We shall overcome. This is a very important song and it's very nice. Vanya has sung it with full confidence. Very well done, Vanya. Very well done. Good job, Vanya. Very, very well done. All right. Just a minute. All right, just give me 1 minute. And now, after that, sorry for the delay, we have got Anika. Hi, Anika. Anika has actually done a very beautiful craft. She has recited a poem about coronavirus. It's amazing, Anika. You said it with full confidence. And she has made a very beautiful artwork for Corona warriors. Can you all see? She has made a very beautiful cat artwork and she has done beautiful artwork for Corona warriors. It's amazing, Anika. You're very confident. Please clap everyone for Anika. Please clap. Very well done, Anika. Very well done. Loved it. Very good. All right. So before we move forward, let me just ask you, or let me just remind you the story which we have heard last week. We have heard the story about the cunning fox and the foolish crow. I'll just remind you quickly, okay? So what happened? Once upon a time, there was a cunning fox who was really hungry. She was looking for food everywhere, but she could not find anywhere any food. After some time, she saw there was one crow sitting on a tree, and the crow had a big bun or a big loaf of bread in its mouth. It looked so yummy. So the cunning fox thought, it will be so nice if I can have that bun or if I can have that bread. So she used a cunning idea. She said to the crow, "Oh crow, you look so funny. You look so good. Your voice is so nice, melodious. I think you should sing a song." At first, the crow said, "No, I should not talk to strangers. You are a stranger to me." But again, crow said, "Oh, you are very nice. Please sing a song for me." So this time, crow became fool and she started singing the song. The moment she opened her mouth, the bread fell down on the ground and the fox pounced over it and she grabbed the bread and she ran away. Now the crow said, "Oh my God, my bread has gone away. The fox has taken my bread. Now what will I eat?" Now she understood the lesson. I should never talk to strangers. Even if they say that I'll give you this, you are very nice, still we should not talk to strangers like that. And because of my mistake, I have lost my bread. So kids, we have learned a lesson that no matter what, we should not talk to strangers. We should only talk if Mama Papa says that please talk to this uncle or this auntie. Otherwise, we should not talk. Alright? So let me ask you the example. Suppose there is a stranger uncle and he's saying, "Come on, come with me. See, I've got so many chocolates. I've got so many toys. Come with me. Come, I'll take you to your Mama Papa." So what will you do? Will you say, "Yes, let's go uncle, let's go"? Or you'll say, No, I will not go with you. You are a stranger. I will only go to my mama." Show me your left hand if you'll say yes and you'll go to the stranger uncle. And show me your right hand if you will not go with the stranger uncle and you will not talk to that stranger uncle. What you will do? Wow, well done Riyansh, well done Anika, well done all of you. Good job, you are showing me right. Very well done. See, I told you, you kids are very smart. You kids are really very intelligent. Well done. No matter what the stranger uncle says, we will not listen. We will only talk to them if our Mama Papa says. Then, very good. Show me thumbs up if you understood this. Good job. Lovely. Now, let's hear today's story. Are you all excited for today's story? Show me thumbs up. Yay! I'm also very excited. Right. So, today's story is The Greedy Dog. Ooh, the greedy dog. So, once upon a time, there lived a stray dog. You know what is a stray dog? A stray dog is a dog who, roams around on the road. We see so many dogs. They're all stray dogs. So, he was looking for food. One day, he was just roaming in the dark alleys in the road, in the path. So, and he was really hungry. So after some time, after walking a little, he saw a bone. His eyes popped out with full excitement. He said, "Oh my God, it is a juicy bone. At first he got surprised. Oink, from where this bone came. But then he got really excited and he jumped and he went to the bone. And he said, woof, woof, I'm so excited. I got the bone. And he took the bone and he became really, really happy. Yes. After that, he said, I should go to a secluded place, a place where no one will disturb me. I should eat and I should enjoy my bone very quietly and nicely. So he decided to go somewhere or to find a secluded place. So he went. After some time, when he was finding that secluded place, he had to cross a river. He came to a river. He thought, oh, now how will I cross the river? When he went a little close, he saw his own reflection in the river. Can you see his own reflection? But he could not understand that the reflection was his own. He thought that there is another dog in the river, and he also has a very juicy and yummy bone. So he thought it will be so nice that if I can have that another bone, I should scare that dog away and I'll take that bone. Then I will have 2 bones. Instead of 1 bone, I'll have 2 bones. So he became greedy because he had 1 bone in the starting, but looking his own reflection in the river, he thought, let me take another bone and I'll have 2 bones. He became greedy. Oh my God, he shouldn't be greedy. But he thought like that. And he thought, let me scare the other dog. So he looked at him and he thought, I'll scare you. Then he started to say grr grr, and then the moment he opened his mouth to scare the doggy, suddenly what happened? The bone fell down in the river. Oh my God. Now the dog realized, oh, it was not the another dog. It was my own reflection in the river. I couldn't understand. Oh my God. Because of my foolishness and because of my greed, I lost my own bone. Oh my God. When the bone fell down in the river, the water splashed and then the dog started crying. Oh, I lost my bone. I shouldn't be greedy. If I had 1 bone, I should be happy. I shouldn't be greedy that I should have more bones. I should grab another bone. See, now he learned a lesson that he should not be greedy like that. If you have one thing, you should be satisfied. You should not be greedy like that. So, do you kids understood the moral? Show me thumbs up if you are able to understand. Good. Let me ask you one important example. Suppose if someone come to your house or Mama Papa has given you 1 chocolate. So what will you say? Oh, thank you. Thank you so much. Or will you start crying? No, I want more chocolate. I want more chocolate. What will you do? Show me your left hand. If you say, thank you, Mama, after taking 1 chocolate. And show me your right hand if you cry for more chocolates. What will you do? Show me. Krish, show me. What will you do? Show me, Krish. Yes, good. Very well done. See, I told you, you all kids are amazing. You all kids are so intelligent. We always should remember that if we have 1 chocolate or 1 toy or 1 thing, we should be satisfied, because always our Mama Papa always gives us so many things. So we should always also understand this piece, that we should always satisfied with Mama Papa whatever they are giving us. We should not be greedy like that. Oh, I want more chocolate or more toys. Right? Alright. So let me ask you one more important question. Who all are drinking a lot of water? Show me how many glasses of water are you drinking? 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh my God, Anika, you are drinking 10 glass. Riyansh, you are drinking 5 glass. Krish, how many glass you are drinking? Sayansh, how many glasses? Shreyan, how? Oh my God, Meghna is drinking 10 glasses. Punita, how many you are drinking? Abigail, how many glasses? Yuvraj, Neha, Deepika, Saranya, Ritik, Smriti, Krita, my God, Tavish, Litesh, my God, Sukhru, Rekha, Vivan, Nidhi, my God, Mihika, Ankur, wow, Atrayu, my God. And who is this Galaxy J7 Prime? Who is this Galaxy J7 Prime? I don't know who is this Galaxy J7. I want to know the name. Who is this baby? Who is? Oh, Saranya, wow. And Devdatta, you drink 5 glass. Great, great, Devdatta. Sukhrup, how many glasses you drink? Show me how many glasses do you drink? Smriti, Vivan, Litesh, Deepika, I cannot see you. Litesh, how many glasses do you drink, Litesh? 5, my God. And, okay. Sai, Kiara, how many glasses do you drink, beta? How many glasses do you drink, Kiara? Yes. Advik, how many glasses you drink? Viraj, Anaya, how many glasses? Yuvraj, how many glasses do you all drink? Arish, Kartike, Siddhant, Arna, my God. Kiara, I cannot see how many glasses do you drink, baby? 5, my God. 10, oh God. Sai, you drink 6 glasses. Great, Sai. See, I told you, you all are amazing. Super amazing. Just like Superman, you are super kids. You all are super kids. I am giving you name. Super kids. Alright, one more important question. Who all are loving their mama in the morning? Who are loving and kissing in the morning and then saying, I love you to their mama and papa? Oh my God, you all are. Adya is also doing. Riyansh is also doing. Anika is also doing. Ridhima is also doing. Shiva is also doing. My God, that's so nice. Oh, Aganya is also doing. And Ayush is also doing. Vanya is also doing. My God, Ritik, Atrayu, and Shachi, Mihika. My God, Saranya, Ayush, Sukhrup, love you all. Now, one more thing. I'm giving you all a task, a very important task, that you all have to plant a small sapling, because it is very important that we should take care of our mother earth, just like you all are loving your mama. Your all mama is happy, right? Now it's our duty to make our mother earth also happy. It is our responsibility, right? Who all are going to plant a small sapling this week? Who all are going to show me thumbs up? Vihan, Aganya, yes, very good. Show me thumbs up. Who all are going to plant? Very nice, all of you. My God. Oh, Jashvi, yes, I'll take the name. Yes, Jashvi, very good, Jashvi. See, I love you all, kids. You are super kids. Just like Superman, super kids. I love you all. You all are my super kids. Love you all. So, we will remember the moral and we will all do the task of drinking water and planting a small plant. Okay? And most important, we forgot one thing. We all do so much great things. Let us all clap for ourselves loudly. I want to hear who all can clap loudly. Yay! Good job, babies. Love you all. Love you.